And this day is there to celebrate the spirit of innovation, creativity, leadership. And through this session, we also hope that some of you, some of our students, will be inspired to think beyond the conventional jobs and try to be change makers in the society. So to begin the program, I would like to invite our respected principal madam to give the welcome address.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Professor Banerjee and my dear colleagues and my beloved students. Today's program is in a different direction. Nowadays, once upon a time, there was the only one direction. Do your leisure, then try for your higher studies, do that, then go to the job. But now, there are three verticals. You may continue your higher studies if you are interested. Otherwise, you have two options. One, you may secure a job under some employer.
This is not a part of your curriculum, comma. It is part of something bigger, which is dash. Okay, answer. Today's session, আমি আবার বলছি তোমরা কি সই করছো পরে করো you can't take a risk now but you can mentally prepare that I will equip myself to take a risk. I will make myself capable of taking a risk. I will equip myself to know how to run a business. Only when I know how to run a business, I can think of doing entrepreneurship. Just now, today, no. I'm not asking any one of you to go in for entrepreneurship. Because it's our job to teach you what is business about. And we don't have to think business is only for commerce students. Business is for everybody. These are the authors. I have brought in some names like Jean-Baptiste and Stuart Mill who have proposed the idea of entrepreneurship. The main person whose name you must remember, because after this session if someone asks you, did Madam tell you the name of Schumpeter? And if you say no, I will be so ashamed. So who is the father figure of entrepreneurship? Say the name. Schumpeter, loudly.
Schumpeter.
Okay, so Schumpeter was an Austrian economist who said anything new that you do in the world and gets you money, gets you profits, is business, is entrepreneurship. So he talks about new things. He talks about new things and he talks about new ways of doing things. He talks about new markets where you can do things. He talks about new ways of running the business. Have you seen people wearing a sari? Many people. And have you also seen different ways of doing the same thing? We are all at and in different ways. So that is entrepreneurship. There is a lady who puts on a sari on someone else and charges 5 lakh rupees. And now she began by selling cosmetics. Now she is making cosmetics. So first she was a seller and now she is a manufacturer. Then we have a lot of examples. You can read all this later. I brought cosmetics examples thinking you will be happy to read about them. Mama Earth is also a cosmetic brand, very expensive. So when we talk about all these businesses, you are at this stage where we're talking about the digital age. Everything has to be We know we can't stay without our mobiles for more than half an hour. That's what everyone can't even stay for half an hour. So, digital age. We are all in our digital age, and we have to think about business that can have a digital counterpart also. Like it's not just about if I have a house and I have a shop in my house and I start selling chocolates. No, that won't do. I have to put my name in Zomato program. Enables you to take up internships with entrepreneurs. Meaning you can take 6 weeks internship with an entrepreneur so that you can observe, learn and hands-on practice. Because so far all that I told you is just theory. But what if you actually went to a factory, observed what work is going on and continue to learn through a period of 6 weeks? Because this is what your NEP curriculum requires. 2 weeks internship. Therefore, Calcutta University offers these for students. This is a particular program that is named like this. This is an international program, only if you want to. I just wanted to share it because your teachers said that you would be happy to know of me. So these are some of the pictures of students who have been working. And why do we do this? Because we believe that if I were in your shoes, I didn't know what to do. So someone taught me. I believe that we need to do something new, respect each other's work, bring about some diversity in our thought process, and therefore be able to build a community. So today we are all here together. So if we continue to build this community of exchanging ideas, discussing, then we will be able to help in the entrepreneurship ecosystem. Right? So I brought some pictures